Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. Today I am came with a new work from home job opportunities from Clario. They are hiring associate clinical data reviewer. This is remote basis job and the salary will be paid on an average above 5 lakhs per annum. Next I am coming for discussing about primary job responsibilities. These are including conducting manual data review for clinical data management customers, issuing queries based on manual data review requirements for each assigned study, participating in project team meetings as necessary, generating metrics and reports for current state of study database, performing clinical data management user acceptance testing as needed, maintenance, quality service and departmental standards by adhering to clinical data management processes and standards by using implemented system with reading, understanding and adhering to organizational standard operating procedures SOPs. Next, secondary responsibilities are working with internal staff to resolve issues, exploring new opportunities to add value to organization and departmental processes, helping others to achieve results, performing other duties as assigned. So there we also have to maintenance technical and industry knowledge by attending and participating in applicable company sponsored training. So second most important point is qualification. Bachelor's degree prepared, that means B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PharmD and life sciences graduate candidates eligible for this post with 1 year of experience in the pharmaceutical industry or other relevant experience is required. Also required some additional skills including strong problem solving and organizational skills, high attention to detail, demonstrated ability to manage multiple tasks simultaneously and complete work within allocated time frames, excellent oral and written communication skills, fluency in English is required, that means both verbal and written. Lastly but not leastly, these important conditions must be known before applying this post. These are including travel up to 15%, lifting up to 20 lived pound and other computer work for long periods of times. So if you want to apply for this post, you have to fill a application through a link which are given in video's description. Thanks for watching this video.